beauty. So are you struggling with dull skin, uneven skin tone? Your skin is not looking nice? This video is for you. I want you to be flawless. I want you to look so pretty, so put together, so beautiful. Your skin should be skinning this Christmas. The number one on my list is cleansing. You can go ahead to try this face fat ceramic skin barrier complex hydrating cleanser. This is a hydrating cleanser. It's for all skin type. Even the most sensitive skin can use this cleanser. I got this one for 6,500. So when you are done washing your face, the next thing you need to do is to exfoliate your face at least 2 times every week. And when you want to exfoliate your face, I did not say you should go and buy face scrub, but if you want to buy face scrub, you can try face scrub. But for me, I don't use face scrub. I use exfoliating gloves. I use this. This is what I use to exfoliate my skin. I have a separate exfoliating gloves for my body, but this one is for my face. Days that I want to exfoliate my face, I'll just take this cleanser, put a little on the exfoliating sponge and gently exfoliate my face in a circular motion. That's how I do it. See, let me tell you, by the time you are done exfoliating your face, even your body, trust me, your face will be so soft. It will be so soft. It will just look as if something was just lifted out of you, like something just left you. Okay, you feel so clean, so fresh, so soft. I'm telling you, so smooth. Don't sleep on exfoliation. Okay, exfoliate your face, your skin, your body. It will really help you in elevating your skin, making your skin to glow. So days that you want to exfoliate your face, you exfoliate your face. Days that you don't want to exfoliate your face, you go to the next step of using a face serum. This is the one I'm using. I'm using the Sterling Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Serum. You can imagine the ingredients, vitamin C and turmeric together. It's already a game changer. See, this serum is going to brighten your face. It's going to make your face to glow, okay? It's going to help to brighten your face, remove dull skin, uneven skin tone, okay? And when you are applying vitamin C serum, like whatever you use on your face, make sure you walk it down to your neck. Whatever you use on your face, make sure that you use it on your neck as well. Don't just apply vitamin C serum on your face and leave your neck, or don't just wash your face and leave your neck. Whatever you use on your face, you use it on your neck as well, okay? So everything is going to work together, because you don't want your face to be brightened and your neck is looking dark, okay? You're having hyperpigmentation around there. You want everything to be even tone. So you have to make sure to use a vitamin C serum. Is going to help to brighten your skin, okay? So applied your vitamin C serum, you just allow it to sink into your skin. You then go ahead to apply a moisturizer, a face cream, a moisturizing face cream. One that you can use is the First Fast Vitamin C face cream. This is also very good for your face. It's going to help to elevate your face, brighten your face, make your face to glow, make your face to be even. So still on the face, last but not the least, you cannot say you want to have a brightened skin, glowing skin, and you are not using sunscreen. That one, you are just pouring water inside basket. You're just wasting time. So you have to try as much as possible to include sunscreen in your skincare routine. Okay, that is even the pata of them all. You have to use a sunscreen in your skincare routine. Okay, and the sunscreen I recommend is this Biore UV Watery Essence SPF 50 sunscreen. This sunscreen is a very good sunscreen, and it's moisturizing as well, and it's also protect your skin from sun, because you don't want to have sunburn. You don't want to finish applying all this goodness on your skin and you don't protect it. You have to protect it. Sunscreen is just like an umbrella. You use it to protect your skin. Let's move on to the body parts. So you have to cleanse your body with a moisturizing bar soap or a body wash. Yes, that soap that I recommend for you that you can start using, that is very affordable, is the Skin White bar soap. It comes in different variants. It has the papaya, the kojic acid, the glutathione, the pore whitening. So just choose any one, okay? Or you can go ahead to use Dove soap. Dove is also a very good soap that you can use, and it's very affordable as well. But Skin White is sold for the price of 1,200, while Dove is sold for the price of 2,500. If you want to go for body wash, I'll recommend St. Ives body wash. I am using this particular one, the vanilla and oatmeal. It is also very good. I bought this one for the price of 8,500, so you can go ahead to try this one out. It plumps your skin, makes your skin supple, okay? So you can choose either bar soap or body wash. Okay, the only thing is that bar soaps are more cheaper than body wash. So the next thing you need to do to get a glowing skin is for you to exfoliate your skin. When you have dead skin cells on your skin, it will make your products not to work better. It will make your products not to penetrate into your skin and bring out that glow and do its job. So you have to try as much as possible to always exfoliate your skin. So when you want to exfoliate your skin, you use an exfoliating gloves. Don't use the one you are using for your face or your body, okay? Use it to exfoliate your skin. This is where I use body scrub. The body scrub that I use on my body is the Caribbean Soul Scrub. I got this one for 2,500. Like I said before, if you exfoliate your body, you will feel like a newborn baby. You will be so your skin will be so soft, it will be so supple. Now, like when you are done exfoliating your skin, you now go ahead to use a body lotion. Body lotion that I say you should apply, don't apply it only morning. Apply your body lotion morning and night. It's really going to bring out that glow. It's really going to work better. The body lotion that I'm currently using is the Dr. Tell's body lotion. This Dr. Tell's body lotion has been doing wonders on my skin. It really make my skin to radiate. It has really make my skin to glow. It has really bring out my complexion. I got this for 8,500 about 2 months ago. The only thing about this body lotion is that it is not moisturizing. Like when you apply it, you still need to apply body oil, which brings me to the next tip to a glowing skin. You see body oils to take your skin to the next level. And the body oil that I'm using is this Diesel Beauty Skincare Cocoa Deep Moisturizing Body Oil Gel. See this body oil right here? It's a game changer. Okay, that's the only thing I can tell you. Then, last but not the least, are sunscreen. You cannot do without sunscreen. Like I said before, you must use sunscreen. See, you have to use sunscreen, okay? You have to use sunscreen. So when you are done applying your body lotion, go ahead to use sunscreen. Apply a generous amount of sunscreen to protect your skin. This is the sunscreen I use on my body and on my face, okay? And see, I even need to restock because it's almost finished. See, it's almost finished. All the tips I just gave you now is not something that you do once and you see results. You have to be consistent. Make sure you're always doing your skincare routine morning and night, like a month before you will go ahead to conclude and say it will not work. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Let me know what you think about this video. Hi, my name is Loria and I would like you to please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment, and share my videos as well. Okay, trust me, you will like it here. Okay, do it to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. When I post, you'll be the first to see it, you'll be the first to get notified and watch it ASAP. Okay, and I'll see you in my next video. For now, bye.